Hi everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Matej Schneider and I'm going to show you today how to use sticky notes. When you use sticky notes in a collaborative setting, you would mostly do that in order to share ideas. So you want to share ideas that you write down on a sticky note. Writing them is good, but since you also want to be read, you need to make sure that what you write is readable. And for that, you will start by using capital letters. This helps a lot with reading from slightly afar. However, this is not sufficient. You also need to use a big pen, ideally a marker. This will help a lot with making things readable. And the best is to use a marker that has a color contrast with the color of the sticky note that you're using. Ideally a black one, and this will make your ideas significantly more readable. Now, since you're very excited about your new way to write on a sticky note, you want to write so many ideas. You want to write one, you want to write two, so you just jot them all down on the sticky. But the best way to write ideas on a sticky note is not to write all of them on the same one, but to use only one note per idea. This way, you can shuffle them around, you can share them with others, you can potentially remove them. Indeed, there comes a time where your good idea is probably not so good. So you want to write something great instead. And you might be tempted to cross it out. But the right way to get rid of a good idea that is not as good as that is not to cross it out. It's to just get rid of the sticky altogether and to trash it. Now, you have your ideas, they are very readable, and you want to jot them down and stick them. You might just drop it. But if you want your ideas to stay there for a while, over a long time period, you're going to need to actually stroke that post-it. You want to go at least 4 times, gently pushing on the sticky side so that the whole glue stays really stick. But that was the easy part. The hard part is not about sticking the note, it's about how to peel it off. Usually you'll do this because the sticky part is on the top. So you will end up with a note that comes up and that is very unreadable from afar or from below. The right way to peel off a sticky note is to either have a quick pull low or to do it to the side, my favorite one. Now, there might be a moment where you've accidentally peeled off that sticky note wrong and you stick it, and unfortunately it's not straight. How do you straighten it up? Take it, one corner, two corner, fold the 2 corners on the sticky side, stick it back, and now it's going to stay straight. That's it, how to use sticky notes. Thank you very much for your attention, and thanks to the fine folk at UTZ who hosted this session. Thanks to the community of Agile Open France who pushed me to record this in French the first time, and thanks to the community of Micro Solidarity who pushed me to record it in English. Thank you very much. Oh, and by the way, if you wonder which brand and model of stickies to choose, I might have made a comparison of 23 brands and models over a 2-month period. That might be helpful. You can find the link in the details below.